I think my Tesla Model Y needs an upgrade. Let's do that. I gave an awesome upgrade to my Tesla. These seat covers are from TESERY and it's in stunning white. First, I'm gonna unbox. Stunning white and premium leather material. This is for Model Y and there are total 12 pieces. It comes with a simple installation kit, so here are the clips, so no special tools required. Now let's move on to the installation process. It's pretty straightforward, so follow me as I transform my Tesla's interior. Step 1. Dry fit. It's always a good idea to do a dry fit. So I laid the seat covers over the seats to check the alignment. So this will save us time during the actual installation and ensure a perfect fit. I'm gonna start with the front seat. So putting the seat cover for the front seat is pretty easy. It's like putting a t-shirt. So make sure it's snug and in place. First seat done. Moving on to the second front seat. Alright, second seat done. The seat covers have straps or belts. It has to go underneath and I'm going to secure it. You can also use the clips and hooks that came with the installation kit. I didn't use them. Before putting the seat covers for the rear seats, we have to remove the headrest. I find it's a bit tricky. I'm going to show it to you guys. So to lift the headrest, we have to click on this button and on the other side there's a small hole. Use a screwdriver with a small tip and insert the tip into that hole. So we have to do this simultaneously and then lift the headrest, it will come off. After removing the headrest, it's pretty easy to put the seat cover. So just slide the cover over the seat. As you can see on the top, there are holes to keep the headrest. After putting the seat cover, keep the headrest. So it's pretty easy to keep this. Next, I'm going to put the cover for the headrest. It has a Velcro, so bring that underneath and then stick it together. We need to ensure the seat belts can be placed over the seat cover. While putting the seat cover for the left rear seat, we have to open this middle part. So there is a release button, press on that and push it forward. So there is a metal pointing out. We have to bring the seat cover through it. So there is a hole in the seat cover on the side. So put the metal thing into that hole and then there is a zipper on the side. Close the zipper. There are also covers for the middle part of the rear seats, so we're gonna put all those. Here is the cover for the rear armrest. Next, we are going to put the covers for the rear seats sitting area. This is going to be fun, so watch us do. So pull the seat, but don't have to take the seat apart. There are no screws or button. So apply some pressure. We'll be able to lift the seat, and this is the first time I'm seeing what's under Tesla's seat. So it looks like there are some wires and cables. After putting the seat covers, we are going to secure it with the straps. So make sure it's very tight. Everything looks good, so we're going to put the seat back and we have to make sure everything is aligned properly. The seat belts should be placed over the seat covers, so we're going to make sure the seat belt is clicking. So everything looks perfect. There is also a cover for the back side of the middle part on the rear side. So this is super easy to keep. Just stick it in and it's done. This is looking stunning. The white color definitely adds a touch of elegance, and these seat covers are designed to fit perfectly, maintaining the original look and feel of the seats. Finally, we are going to put the cover for the front armrest, and this is done. This is pretty easy. Just slide it in and then stick the Velcro. Check out the difference. The TESERY seat covers have transformed our Tesla's interior. So the white color looks stunning and the fit is seamless. These seat covers not only look amazing, but they are also incredibly comfortable. So the leather material is very soft and breathable and looks stunning. These seat covers are a perfect addition to any Tesla Model Y or Model 3. They offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection for your seats. So if you want to elevate your Tesla's interior, these seat covers are a must-have, and I highly recommend TESERY's seat covers. I'll post the link to buy in the description below. Check that out. So I have a discount code for you guys. Use my code TAS. It's THAS, and you can save 5%. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more Tesla videos. Until then, take care everyone, drive safe and bye.